Yep, this time has come. Gonna chop down some of these elephant ears. I plan on moving and separating the bulbs. So I think this actually just grew. Excuse-ies.
Everything in this basket.
See the base down there. This is just the second year of our. Okay, you stay in there so we can get
So you can see how big in perspective?
Perspective, that's the word.
I'll still beat it up.
Oh my goodness.
It cannot beat me up.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to chop down the low-hanging leaves.
Oh my goodness, that was good. Really, boy, see.
So I can see the base to split it up next weekend. Because I just can't get rid of all these beautiful ones at the top just yet. Action, they say.
So all these ones down here?
Yeah.
All right. What are we going to do with these once they're cut?
I was actually thinking, I was wondering, I was going to try to research to see if we could use them as like a ground cover.
They're big leaves.
Yeah, they're big leaves.
I mean,
and that will then, you know, turn into compost.
I mean, I'd imagine it won't hurt it because it will just biodegrade.
Yeah.
So it might be good for, you know what I mean?
This is the second elephant in your plant. You cut this one up.
Now, as you can see, I'm doing little to no work. Look at what she's doing. She threw down the trimmers and she's doing it with her bare hands now. The hedge trimmers weren't doing the job good enough for her. So she's actually going inside the elephant ear and breaking them over her knee. Don't be confused by what you see in her hands. That is not a hedge clipper. She's transformed her arms.
I became elephant scissor hands.
Elephant scissor hands.
Brick by brick, and I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just 'cause you